taking them out of their big, long, fun-size packages. So we're gonna take these, and tomorrow morning we're going to put them around the house if it's raining, but if it's not raining, we're gonna put them all outside, and then we're going to have a little fun Easter hunt. We got some bigger items here, so we got nerds and a couple sweet tarts, and then some red and white Sour Patch Kids. These things I can't take out of the packages because they're individually in there, as well as extra long Twizzlers. Got 2 of those. Yeah, so these ones are going to be, maybe I was thinking of doing a little riddle to try and, so you find, like, say, one of these, paper on the back with like a riddle to try and find one of these things, okay? So we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna go and hide these until tomorrow, and then tomorrow morning we're going to put them all out, and I'll show you. Dad's gonna kill me because I got another mug, but it's huge. Look at the size of this thing. Like, I gotta wash it. If he sees this, he's gonna see my hand went in it, but it's super cute. Dad, you're gonna love it. Just don't kill me.